Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how can you restore your deleted file from the recycle bin on your Mac. But before going further into video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do make sure to subscribe it and also press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's aside, let's come to our main topic of the video. Now to get deleted file back, let me first delete a file from the Finder. So right now I am deleting this file. Now go to your bin and search for the file that you deleted. This is my deleted file. Now to get back this file to your Finder, there's two ways to do this. First, you can just drag it to the folder you want this file into. Or you can just click on this file and open its properties, and you can see there is many options. To get this file into your Finder, you have to click on the putback option. After clicking on the putback button, you will get your deleted file from where you deleted earlier. That means you don't have to find your file, the system will do the work for you. So this was the video on how to get your deleted file from the recycle bin. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and also make sure to leave a comment.